This demo will showcase a utility bill payment use case where banking customers simply forward their utility bills to their bank. All the relevant information contained in the utility bills, such as payment amount and due date, is extracted and validated using IBM's automation document processing, which is then fed into the bank's backend engine for processing automatic payments for the customers. We'll show the runtime application first to show how Buffy, a data clerk at ABC Bank, reviews documents that require her attention. Then we'll show design and build time to show how Bill, a business analyst at ABC Bank, sets up document model and the application UI using an out-of-the-box template. Customer address is a composite field. Composite field is a parent field that is made up of subfields. As you can see, address is made up of street address, city, state, and zip code. This is a concept that can be designed at design time. Due date field needs to be in a certain date format, so we'll make this correction and move on to the next field. Total amount due field got flagged because the value is too large. We have put in a validation logic at design time to make sure the total amount due for utility bill isn't an abnormal amount. Once done, Buffy can submit the batch, which will save the changes and do the finalization. And that's how easy it is to make corrections and validate the changes. We will now move on to the design and build time to show how Bill, a business analyst, can configure the document model and the application UI. Bill is now training a utility bill. These are all the fields that were automatically extracted using our out-of-the-box deep learning model. It looks like the field due date has data missing. This is because the due date here is expressed a little differently on this document than it would be in other documents. So all we have to do is teach the system this variation to make it smarter. Utility company name is also missing. Using the same approach, we can easily define this value. It looks like our customer name field picked up the name and address, but we just want to pick up the address. We can easily make this correction. Now we want to split this field into a composite field, as address is a parent field that comprises of subfields that make up the address. We can define subfields and the types here to create a new composite field called customer address. Keep in mind, we don't have to do this for every single utility bill documents, meaning this is not a manual template approach. We just need to do this for a few samples for the deep learning algorithm to take this annotation and training into the learning and apply it to other documents to make the system smarter. Bill can create validation logic or customize default validators such as low confidence, data type mismatch, and required value validator. If a value doesn't meet the criteria set here, it'll get flagged at runtime so human can take a look, adjust the data with issues instead of all fields.